Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's time for weekend cooking and today we are doing something easy, something delicious, something everyone likes. It is pizza. And of course everyone can order pizza or can grab the stuff from the freezer. I will show you today the original Sicilian recipe for pizza dough and how to bake it right. Very easy with just few ingredients. So let's have a look what you need and let's get started. So you need only a couple of things to do great Sicilian pizza dough. All-purpose flour, water, dry yeast, some honey, olive oil and salt. So it's really easy and with only those few things you're ready to go. First you have to activate the yeast. Dissolve the honey in the water, mix it in. Then add the yeast, mix everything well until the yeast is dissolved and wait for a moment. Next, knead the dough. Use 350 grams of the flour, add the water with the yeast and knead everything until you have a nice dough. So the dough is ready and now it needs to rest for 1 hour. I usually let it rest in the oven. I preheat the oven to 40 degrees and then I switch it off. So the dough has a warm place where it can rest. So after 1 hour, the dough has rested. We have to add some more flour. 150 grams. And now we add some flavor as well. That's the salt and the olive oil. And now we mix it again. Now the dough is ready for portion. Sprinkle some flour on the kitchen top, knead the dough quickly and form a loaf. Then cut 4 portions of 220 grams each from the loaf, put them on a plate, cover them with a little bit of olive oil and cling foil. Then put the dough for a second proof into the fridge. Next thing, prepare the oven for real good pizza baking. For best results, use a pizza stone on the bottom rack, 220 degrees fan or bottom heat. So, the pizza dough has rested again, this time in the fridge, for a couple of hours. For the best result, you want to start preparing the pizza dough in the morning, then it is perfectly ready for the pizza in the evening, so at least some 4 to 6 hours. And now let's start and let's prepare the pizza. Sprinkle the kitchen top with flour, take 1 portion of the pizza dough and knead it until it is flat and round like a pizza. Add some tomato sauce and some mozzarella or bufala and you have a margherita, the mother of all pizza. Now place the pizza on the pizza stone. With baking paper, this is a little bit easier. The pizza needs to bake about 12 minutes and maybe you want to turn the pizza once or twice for better results. And now the exciting moment. The pizza is ready. Let's have a look. I like my pizza simple, but you can be as creative as you want. Anything goes with pizza, even Handkäse and grüne Soße. Buonissimo. Really, really good. Glad to see you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your pizza and don't forget, send me some pictures. See you next time. Bye.